After getting done with this beautiful village of Pahalgam and having the entire morning to ourselves, we headed to Baisaran. It's also called as the mini Switzerland of Kashmir, a natural beauty an hour of trek away. It's a nice little spot covered in forest. With our further plans changed eventually, we headed to Sonamarg the next day, having completely no idea what we were heading to. I mean, I was awestruck. It was my first ever snowfall experience. My first ever. And there was nothing more satisfying as I watched my drone film this valley of Gagangir. That's what this was. Thanks for watching.